Definitely. So let's unpack this. We're doing a deep dive today on the Sans Air Purifier. It makes this really specific promise, clean air, but without needing apps or making a racket. Our mission here is to figure out if this, well, premium device actually delivers that kind of zero fuss experience for you.
Right. And what's fascinating, I think, is that it really boils down to a trade-off.
Yeah.
You're looking at simplicity, reliability versus a pretty significant price tag.
hmm
We need to assess if that really hands-off approach justifies the initial cost and, importantly, the ongoing filter costs.
Yeah, the sources definitely position it as a sort of quiet little superhero for your air. Its big appeal seems to be grabbing dust, pet dander, pollen, all that stuff. But like automatically, it's almost a statement against, constant phone notifications.
Yeah.
Designed to just work without you checking on it.
It really is. The way it operates kind of confirms that set it and forget its idea.
Exactly.
It sensors, monitors the air quality constantly in real time.
Yeah.
If you start cooking or maybe light a candle or, heaven forbid, burn something.
Mm.
Yeah, exactly. It just adjusts its fan speed automatically.
Ah.
No need to pull out your phone or press anything.
Okay, so it's smart, but low-key smart.
And speaking of low-key, the noise level. The claim is whisper quiet. Is that actually true?
Well, the specs say around 25 decibels on its lower settings. That's, quieter than a library whisper. So definitely good for bedrooms or if you're working from home and need quiet.
Okay. And what about how it cleans the air, beyond just trapping stuff?
So it uses a standard HEPA filter, which is great for particles, but it also adds a UVC light stage, gentle, designed to help, neutralize germs. And crucially, it's designed to be ozone-free. That's a big safety point, especially for a premium device, no lung irritation.
Right. Ozone can be a problem with some purifiers.
Exactly. And it handles decent-sized spaces, too. Claims coverage up to, I think, 1,560 square feet cycled per hour. So good for open plan areas, potentially.
Okay, let's talk numbers then, because premium usually means pricey.
The unit itself is listed at $469. That's quite an investment, especially when you think about smart purifiers that cost less and give you app control.
That's the crux of it, isn't it? You're paying not to have the app, in a way, but you also need to factor in the total cost, those filters.
Ah, yes, the filters.
They're about $36 each, and the recommendation is to replace them every 3 months.
Every 3 months. Okay, that adds up.
It does. That's roughly $144 a year, just on filters. So over the 5-year warranty period, you're looking at well over $1,000 total.
Wow, okay. So is it effective enough to justify that? What does the data say?
The performance seems solid based on the principles. HEPA filtration, as we know, is effective. Studies show it can cut down indoor dust and those tiny PM 2.5 particles by anywhere from, say, 12% to nearly 70%, depending on the room and what's already there. And anecdotally, users do report benefits. Fewer sinus problems, less morning congestion or headaches.
So tangible results, potentially. Things you'd actually notice day to day.
Exactly. Especially if you have allergies or pets, that kind of difference can feel pretty significant.
Were there any downsides mentioned? Any complaints?
Some minor things came up in reviews. A few people, probably used to smart devices, did wish it had an app option, just for checking filter life or maybe remote control. And a couple of users mentioned a slight rattling noise, but only on the very highest fan setting.
Okay, so relatively minor quibbles in the grand scheme of things.
Seems like it. The overwhelming feedback seems to praise the reliability and just how simple it is to use. Plus, it had that long 5-year warranty and a 30-day trial. Gives you some peace of mind.
Right, so it's definitely not aimed at the gadget enthusiast who wants all the bells and whistles and connectivity.
Not at all.
Yeah.
It's for someone who values quiet, dependable performance above everything else. The clean air purist, as you put it earlier, someone maybe looking to simplify, reduce device interactions.
Yeah, it's like buying quiet and automation.
Precisely. You're investing in peace of mind and not having another thing pinging your phone.
So this really sets up a choice, doesn't it? It's a quiet departure from the whole smart home idea where everything needs monitoring. The question for you listening is, what feels like the bigger luxury right now? Is it the quiet, reliable background operation? Or is it having one less device demanding your attention? That's really something to chew on when you're weighing this kind of premium simplicity against maybe more feature-packed but potentially noisier or more demanding alternatives.